I'm going to attempt a 1-minute gospel. You're doing a great job. I want to ask you the big question. If you should join the military and die, where will you go, heaven or hell? Here's a quick test. Have you kept the 10 commandments perfectly? Of course not. If you break one commandment by lying, by stealing, or misusing God's name, God would see you as liars and thieves and blasphemers. On Judgment Day, you'd be found guilty and end up in hell. But if you repent, put your trust in Jesus Christ, who suffered and died on a cross, was buried for 3 days and rose again, God will forgive you and grant you everlasting life. Think about that. Thank you so much. For God so loved the world, He gave His one and only Son, that whosoever believes in Him will not perish, but have everlasting life. God bless you.